I'm Intan. If you're a speech therapist, educator, or healthcare professional, you know that the most valuable part of your day is the time spent with your clients, not the paperwork that comes after. I am a virtual assistant specializing in therapeutic and educational support. Having worked remotely alongside speech therapists, I don't just provide administrative assistance, I provide support that truly understand your field. From organizing session notes and managing sensitive client data to creating engaging therapy materials. My goal is simple, to streamline your workflow and handle the behind the scenes tasks so you can focus entirely on your client's progress. Accuracy, confidentiality, and reliability are at the core of everything I do. If you are looking for a partner to help keep your practice organized and professional, I'd love to connect. Please check out my portfolio below and let's discuss how I can help you save time. Looking forward to supporting your practice.